As technology transforms financial services, staying ahead means embracing the future. Fintech innovations are redefining how we access banking, payments, investments, insurance, and pension. But turning ideas into real-world solutions can be challenging. To support this, regulators have introduced regulatory sandboxes, where innovators can test new products and services in a controlled environment with regulatory relaxations. And as the financial sector becomes increasingly interconnected, many of these innovations often span across multiple regulatory domains, including banking, investments, insurance, and pension. Here comes the Interoperable Regulatory Sandbox (IORS), a single gateway to fintech innovation, building on the success of individual regulator-specific sandboxes and responding to the requests received from various stakeholders. With one streamlined entry point, IORS allows testing hybrid financial products under multiple regulators: RBI, SEBI, IRDAI, PFRDA, and IFSCA. IORS bridges the gap between sector-specific regulatory sandboxes and enables collaborative testing for hybrid products, even allowing regulatory relaxations during testing. Both Indian and foreign applicants can apply to the IORS to test hybrid products involving multiple regulators, while individual regulatory sandboxes remain available for domain-specific products. Here's how it works. IORS accepts applications on an on-tap basis available throughout the year. Simply email your application to the coordination group hosted by the RBI's FinTech department. Once submitted, your application is processed seamlessly. The principal regulator under whose remit the dominant feature of your product falls takes the lead, working closely with the associate regulator overseeing the other aspects of the product. This collaborative and unified approach ensures faster testing and comprehensive evaluation. During live testing, your product is assessed qualitatively and against clearly defined quantitative parameters in a controlled regulatory environment. Both the principal and associate regulators together evaluate the test results. With a time-bound approach, IORS enables testing of your hybrid product, paving the way for suitable market adoption of your innovation. IORS fosters innovation by uniting India's financial sector regulators to build the future of hybrid financial products. IORS, your unified gateway to innovation. Together, let's foster a smarter, innovation-driven financial ecosystem.